Good morning, children. Now, as our second assignment tests are going to start, today we will be doing some revision for the same. Now, first write down the date for today. We will be doing the revision for our assignment test today. So, today's date is 18th of November, 18-11-20, and underline it. First bit is write the meanings of the following. You will be asked any 3 meanings out of the 4 meanings that we are going to practice today. Each meaning is for 1 mark. That is 3 into 1 is 3 marks. So the first word is secret. The meaning of secret is not, N-O-T, not, known, or K-N-O-W-N, known, or, seen, S-E-E-N, seen, by, B-Y, by, others, O-T-H-E-R-S, others, full stop. Secret means not known or seen by others. What is the meaning for secret? It is not known or seen by others. Next, knocked, K-N-O-C-K-E-D, knocked, bang or hit something, bang, B-A-N-G, bang, or, hit, H-I-T, hit, something, S-O-M-E, some, T-H-I-N-G, thing, bang or hit something, full stop. Knocked means bang or hit something. Knocked, bang or hit something. Hungry. What is the meaning for hungry? Feeling the need for food. Feeling, F-E-E-L-I-N-G, feeling. The, T-H-E, the, need, N-E-E-D, need, for, F-O-R, for, food, F-O-O-D, food, feeling the need for food. Hungry means feeling the need for food. Next, lazy. Lazy means unwilling to work. Unwilling, W-I-L-L-I-N-G, unwilling, to, T-O, work, W-O-R-K, work, full stop. Lazy means unwilling to work. Lazy means unwilling to work. Second section. Make own sentences for the following. You will be given 3 words. For those 3 words, you have to make 3 sentences. Each sentence is for 1 mark. So 3 into 1 is 3 marks. The first word is neighbor. A sentence that we can write for neighbor is, we can write, I have a very kind neighbor. I have a very kind neighbor. You can write this, or you can write any sentence of your choice. It is not compulsory that you write what I write. You can write anything. Next sentence is grains. So, the birds eat grains. The birds, T-H-E, the birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds, eat, E-A-T, eat, grains, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains, full stop. Next, grasshopper. The grasshopper was lazy. You remember the lesson? You can simply take that sentence, or you can write anything you want. The grasshopper is green in color. You can write anything. I'm going to write the grasshopper was lazy. The grasshopper was lazy. Full stop. Hardworking. The ants are hardworking. The ants are hardworking. H-A-R-D, hard, W-O-R-K, work, I-N-G, ing, hardworking. The ants are hardworking. Moving on to our section number 3. which is answer the following questions. You will be asked 2 questions. for 4 marks. The first question is, why was the ant angry when the grasshopper asked for food? The ant, write down the answer. The ant, T-H-E, the A-N-T, ant. The ant was angry, W-A-S, was angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because the grasshopper, T-H-E, the grasshopper, G-R-A-S-S, grass, H-O-P-P-E-R, hopper, had been, H-A-D, had been, B-E-E-N, been, singing, S-I-N-G, I-N-G, singing, and, A-N-D, and, dancing, D-A-N-C-I-N-G, singing and dancing, all summer, A-L-L, all summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer, instead, I-N-S-T-E-A-D, instead of, O-F, of, storing, S-T-O-R-I-N-G, storing, food, F-O-O-D, food, for, F-O-R, winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter, full stop. The ant was angry because the grasshopper had been singing and dancing all summer instead of storing food for winter. Again, the ant was angry because the grasshopper had been singing and dancing all summer instead of storing food for winter. Next question. How did the ants save food for the winters? The ants worked, T-H-E, the ants, A-N-T-S, ants, worked, W-O-R-K-E-D, worked, day and night, D-A-Y, day, A-N-D, and N-I-G-H-T, night. The ants worked day and night to store, T-O-2, S-T-O-R-E, store food, F-O-O-D, food, for the long winter, for, F-O-R, for, T-H-E, the, long, L-O-N-G, long, winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter, ahead, A-H-E-A-D, ahead, full stop. How did the ants save food for the winter? The ants worked day and night to store the food for the long winter ahead. The ants worked day and night to store the food for the long winter ahead. The ants worked day and night to store food for the long winter ahead. The ants worked day and night to store food for the long winter ahead. Next question. How did the grasshopper react when he saw the ants working hard throughout the day? The, T-H-E, the, grasshopper, G-R-A-S-S, grass, H-O-P-P-E-R, grasshopper, laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed, at the, A-T, at, T-H-E, the, hard working, H-A-R-D, hard, W-O-R-K-I-N-G, hard working, ants, A-N-T-S, ants, and made, A-N-D, and M-A-D-E, made, fun, F-U-N, fun, of, O-F, of, them, T-H-E-M, them, full stop. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants and made fun of them. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants and made fun of them. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants and made fun of them. Next, section number 4. Complete the following sentences to show comparisons. Use the words given in the brackets. You will be asked 5 sentences, which each sentence is for 1 mark. First one. Ram is dash than I am. So what will be the comparative word? Yesterday only I taught you it will be the word which you see in the bracket, we'll just change it to er. Write down shorter, shorter, shorter. Ram is shorter than I am. The honey is dash than the mangoes. Sweet is the word in the bracket. So what we will write? Sweeter. SWEETER, sweeter. The honey is sweeter than the mangoes. Next, orchids are dash than other flowers. The word in the bracket is costly. So what will we write? We will write costlier, COSTLIER, costlier. Next sentence. My uncle is dash than my father. So the word in the bracket is tall. The comparative word will be taller, TALLER, taller. Sheila is dash than Mohini. The word in the bracket is clever. Write down cleverer, CLEVERER, cleverer. Sheila is cleverer than Mohini. We add ER to change the adjective when we are comparing it to things or places or animals, anything. A bug is dash than a pigeon. The word in the bracket is small. So we will write smaller, SMALLER, smaller. A bicycle is dash than a car. The word in the bracket is slow. So we will write slower, SLOWER, slower. Next. Krishna is dash than Rohit. The word in the bracket is intelligent. I told you, when you see this word, we have to write more before it. We do not write intelligenter. We write more intelligent, MORE, more intelligent, 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 more intelligent. Krishna is more intelligent than Rohit. Section 5. Match the following adjectives. It is for 5 marks. We will be matching these column A nouns to the column B, which are adjectives. Column A are the nouns. We will be matching those to the proper appropriate adjectives in column B. So a cake. Is cake kind, dirty, naughty, ripe, delicious or busy? It is always delicious. So draw a line matching these two. Draw a line like this. Always use a scale, children. Do not simply draw a line with your hands. Freehand line is not right. Use a scale. Next, B. B will be, what is a B? Is it kind? Is it dirty? It is naughty, ripe or busy? Bees are always busy. They are always busy with their work. They never stop working. They are always busy. So match it to busy. Next, princess. Princesses are kind-hearted. So kind. So match the word princess to the word kind. She is a kind princess, we say. Shoes. Shoes are what? They are dirty because you walk in them. You walk on sand, in mud, on water. So shoes are dirty. Match shoes and dirty. Next, monkeys. Monkeys are very naughty. They jump from one place to another. That's all they do. So naughty is the proper adjective. So match it. Next, last one is fruits. Fruits are ripe. So draw a line for ripe and fruits. So the cakes are delicious. Bees are busy. Princess is kind. Shoes are dirty. Monkeys are naughty. And fruits are ripe. So you have to match these nouns with their appropriate adjectives in column B. Column A and column B. Column A are nouns. Column B are the adjectives. You all have to practice this one time in your homework books. Thank you. Bye.